In the following demonstration, FITA will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
For wood sanding and finishing, it's likely you will need all or at least most of the following equipment. All of these machines are provided to us by Bonner, who are a sponsor of FITA. Basically what we have here is a belt sander, an edger and a finishing machine, and then we have the hand tools for the edges, the corners. The one that does the majority of the work is the belt sander. As you can see here, basically this is a 10-inch belt. There are smaller 8-inch belt machines available. Essentially the belt sander will do the majority of the floor in terms of levelling, in terms of removing old coatings, and obviously that will also expose the amount of edging that needs to be done at the end. It does require some training, some practice. It is easy to make mistakes, to leave drum marks, to essentially ruin a floor if you're not experienced. But realistically, this bit of kit here is an essential if you are looking to sand and finish wood floors. Without it, it's very, very difficult to remove old coatings. The process becomes much more slow, much more dusty, much more time consuming. Once we've sanded the main body of the floor, we have shown how much edging that we need to do. We'll then need to obviously clean off the edges so that the old coatings are removed, the floor is flat and level, and obviously it blends in with the rest of the floor. So we're going to use an edge sander. Again, we're using a Bonner edge sander. This one is 150mm diameter. Again, there are larger diameter machines, 180mm. This is fitted with a Velcro backing pad, so we can attach hook and loop sandpaper to it. And the idea is basically it's a 6-inch disc. It's very, very powerful, and we're just going to go around the perimeter of the floor and remove all of the old coatings and tie it into the main body that we've just done with the belt sander. So once we are at the final process, we've belt sanded the floor, we've edged the floor, everything's filled, everything is basically clean, level, flat. What we're then going to do is go over with the finishing sander. This one is a Bonner Flexi Sand, and what that will do is it will blend the edges of the floor to the main body of the floor, and that will remove the sort of picture framing effect of the outer part where the belt sander and the edge sander have gone in different directions. Essentially what you're looking to do is to remove scratches, to finish the floor to a fine standard, and obviously make sure that your coatings are going to sit on top of the surface as they should. This machine can also be used for application of finishers and also for light sanding between coats of primer or lacquer as well.
For more information on this video or to book on a FITA course, all the links are in the bio.